Welcome to Poppins.
Hello viewers, welcome to Poppins Online. Today we will be seeing designer wear collections. All these products will be available in our website www.poppins.in. Every day we post new collections except Sundays. You can place your orders through our website as well as using WhatsApps by taking screenshots. Orders are shipped in 2 days of ordering and delivery will take 3 to 7 working days. Viewers, kindly note there may be slight variation in the shades of the dress material due to the lightings we use for the videography. For reference, you can use the product picture in our website. If you are new to Poppins, please like, share and subscribe our channel to get regular updates. We have loaded more products in our website. Please check our website www.poppins.in. Today's first design in premium muslin silk fabric with simple yoke and round neck. Let us see how the set looks. It is a party wear collection, semi-stitched party wear collection. It's a soft premium fabric with all over sequence work in the front side of the top with digital floral prints with simple yoke. The yoke is highlighted with gota lace. We have round neck for this. It's a semi-stitched dress material which can be customized up to XL size. We have 3/4 sleeves for this. The sleeves are highlighted with floral prints and we have sequence work on the sleeves too. Back side, the sequence work also available in the back side. It's a very soft fabric, very soft and easy to carry. It's a party wear set in half white color with floral prints. We have soft shantoon bottom for this and grouped with designer soft muslin silk dupatta. This fabric gives you a very beautiful shape to your body. Soft fabric with all over sequence work in the borders of the dupatta. The borders are highlighted with gota lace with all over floral prints. This is the top hit of our collection. This is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 2199. The next design in premium viscose silk fabric with simple yoke and fancy buttons. It is a kind of a maroonish blue shade. The fabric is very soft and shiny. Let us see how the complete set looks. It is a kind of a very flowy fabric, very soft and very light and easy to carry. It gives a rich look to the dress material. We have a simple yoke with kanta stitches and beadwork with fancy buttons. All over floral prints are available. These floral prints are highlighted with zari work in maroonish blue shade. It's a very fancy material. We have grey cotton bottom for this. It is grouped with chiffon dupatta, grey color chiffon dupatta with all over heavy thread work done in the dupatta, and small sequence work are done in the dupatta. We have all four sides tapings available in the dupatta. It is a very soft dupatta. The cost of the set is 1649. The next designer fabric in silk chanderi cotton with simple yoke and fancy buttons with all over silver gota work done. Let us see how the complete set looks. Silk chanderi is a kind of fabric which gives a rich look to the material with all over silver gota work done in the front side of the top. It is a kind of a material which needs lining with simple yoke and fancy buttons. The buttons are done with Zardozi work and pearl work. In the daman, we have silver lace highlighting the bottom. We have green silk cotton bottom and grouped with chanderi silk dupatta. It's a kind of very soft fabric. Multicolored digital prints are available in the dupatta with gota lace on all four sides of the dupatta. It's a lightweight fabric and very easy to carry. It is a very ultimate design, and this is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 1949. The next designer set in premium rayon cotton fabric with simple yoke and fancy buttons with all over prints and foil prints are available. Let us see how the complete set looks. The fabric is in olive green color. It's a kind of a fabric with flowy textures. Viewers, please kindly note there may be slight variation in the shades of the dress material due to the lightings we use for the videography. Please refer to the picture posted in our website. So this is the top with simple yoke and fancy buttons with all over prints, digital prints available, and these prints are highlighted with fox mirrors, and golden foil prints are also available. In the daman, we have contrast taping available. The fancy buttons are highlighted with pearls. We have soft rayon cotton bottom for this in multicolor and grouped with dual shaded chiffon dupatta. It's a very lightweight dupatta in dual shades, and we have tapings on both the side of the dupatta. This is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 1499. The next design in dark wine color. The fabric is silk chanderi with beautiful yoke and all over heavy hand embroidery work done in the front side of the top. Let us see how the complete set looks. It is a kind of a fabric, premium fabric with shiny textures, soft fabric. This is the front side of the top. This is the front side of the top with sequence work, thread work, loop flowers, French knot work done in the front side of the top. It's a heavy hand worked top in dark wine color. It's a premium design. We have soft shantung bottom for this in same tone and grouped with Nazim dupatta. It's also a kind of a dupatta, very lightweight. The dupatta is also highlighted with the work given in the front side of the top with heavy sequence work, loop flowers, French knot work and thread work done in the dupatta. The dupatta also has all four sides tapings. This is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 3499.
If you want to buy any of these products in today's collection, you can contact us through WhatsApp also. Thank you.